Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another training series. Today's training is going to be about the pin bar reversal and how to enter, what it looks like, and what exactly I am talking about. So let me give you two examples real quick of a bullish and a bearish pin bar reversal pattern. Okay, and here we go. So we're in a downtrend, and we see this right here. It looks like a needle, a push pin, a pin bar, okay, like a push pin used for sewing. That's what it looks like, okay? And then you will see an uptrend following this huge pin bar, okay? But it's got to be at the bottom like a swing low or a huge resistance area. Okay, it just can't be a random one. It's not what it is, it's where it is. So it's not what the candle is, it's where the candle is and what the candle is. So it's both. It ain't one, it's just both of them together. So over here, we're in a bearish trend. We hit some serious resistance, and we see this, which looks kind of like like a dragonfly doji. But it's a bearish pin bar. It's the opposite of a bullish pin bar, okay? This one's found at a downtrend at the end of a swing low. This one's found at the end of a swing high. So you'll see a big run up. You'll see a huge run up. It's like a bull trap. Traps people into thinking, oh, this thing's going to the moon. Then it comes right back down around to where it started. So keep your eyes out for the bullish and bearish pin bar. I'll give you an example real quick. Okay, so here is a bearish pin bar, okay? Notice it's not red, but it is a huge pin bar at a swing high, okay? Now there's three ways to enter this pin bar reversal. I'll show you all three. So you enter, give me 1 second, let me move this out of the way. So you can either enter at the end or the close of the candle. So we got one entry here at the close of the candle, which is the close is here where it ended. Since it's bullish, we know it ended going up, not down. Okay, so we can enter right there. You would see the drawdown would be this much. Okay, so this is on the 4 hour, so the drawdown would be this much. Your stops would be right here. Stop loss would be above. Give yourself a little bit of room, and your stops would be up in this area here. Okay, something like that. Okay, you can either enter there. You can enter when price passes the lowest point of the pin bar here. Okay, so when price passes, so the price started going up, couldn't sustain, fell, collapsed into another bearish candle. This is a very bearish candle, and we'll cover this another day. We are going to cover this candle here. So these three candles with all the wick and the selling pressure up here, we're going to see it fly right through. Okay, so we're instantly in profit. Our sale triggers. If you want to put a pending order, it's sale triggers. Comes down, comes up, retests. Very little drawdown on this entry here. So this entry is actually safer, less drawdown, but you'll make more profit here. You just have to play it correctly because you have to have your stop loss with some room, because we can see that happen. So this would be your second entry. This is not an order of any importance. This is just the second of three entries. The third entry would be a 50% retracement of the top side wick. So you would go top to bottom. This is the top. This is the bottom, because this wick starts here and ends here, or starts here and ends here, however you want to say it. So a 50% retracement would be here. So this would be my third entry point. Okay? So one entry would be at the close of the pin bar candle. Okay? At the close of the pin bar candle, which is here. That's your first entry. A lot of drawdown there. But overall, a great trade on the way down. Okay? And it only took, after this candle, 4, 8, 12, 16 real hours. We would have got out in here somewhere. Okay? So when price passes the low of the pin bar, this is the pin bar. This is the low of the pin bar. Okay? So the low of the pin bar is here. Your trade would enter here. You go in, come up, retest the low, and completely fall. 50% retracement of the pin bar. The pin bar is here. This is the retracement area, or the top of the pin bar. We're going to retrace that from here to here. Excuse me. That's from here to here. I apologize. So that would have been there. Okay? So those are our 3 entry points. Let's see how well they would have played out. So if this is a short position, we'll go here. First entry here. That worked out just good. Okay, that is a pretty big stop loss. But when you compare it to your downside, depending on how you played this out, huge downside play. So you're looking at almost a 4-to-1 win-loss ratio. Okay, a 4-to-1 win-loss ratio from the first entry. Second entry was here. So here you're looking at almost a 3-to-1 win-loss ratio. Now you see how these entries matter, guys, because if you enter the wrong way, you're almost costing yourself a whole point in ratio. So a 4-to-1 ratio and a 3-to-1 ratio. So it's like a 2.75 to 1 ratio and a 3.75 to 1 ratio. Now let's check out the last entry. Last entry's here. Now, remember how big your stop loss was. Look at that stop loss. Now your stop loss is half the stop loss, so half the risk, 5-to-1 ratio. So guys, this is very important, and this isn't even done. So a 5-to-1 ratio, that's 5.6 to 1 ratio just because I caught the top side. Now imagine you did all 3. I do it all the time, guys. If I see a beautiful setup, I'll enter, but if I say I was going to enter with $1, okay, I would do 35 cents here, 35 cents here, 35 cents here. I got my dollar in all 3 different areas. I'm averaged in around the middle, and I end up with like a 4-to-1 ratio down to the bottom. I probably would have got out in here somewhere, to be honest with you. But you see the potential of this trade, and that is the whole purpose of this training video, and it all based around the pin bar. So hope you guys enjoyed the training video. Make sure you click that link in the description below to get your free ebook and your free training series for anything you need to know about cryptocurrency and blockchain exchanges, where to find them, how to use them, everything else you need to know. Stick around for the next Bitcoin breakdown tomorrow. We'll be releasing one every single day, and we'll see you guys in our next training video.